Hi, I'm Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've got several portable folding workbenches that I really like and I really use them, and they do come in handy for a lot of different things. I found this other one at Home Depot right here, and I bought this one for a specific reason. This is the Home Depot 1,500 pound capacity portable workbench, model number 1001277761. Let me rearrange the camera. I'm going to unbox this, see how we like it. Do appreciate you being here. Here's the closer up version of the packaging of this workbench. Holds up to 1,500 pounds, metal clamp rails, heavy duty metal legs, open dimensions 38.6 wide, 25.6 inches long, 32 inches high. Miter saw table, router table, portable, built-in stabilizers, 2x4 brackets for an extended work surface. Features removable small parts organizer. Here's just a general picture of it. And did you know these bands, these plastic bands, if you look right here where it's connected, all you gotta do is flip those over like this, grab the one end and pull it. Maybe I can do it from this side easier. Just grab that in. Let's see here. There we go. Pull it, it just snaps right off. Turn this over. Take this cardboard off of here. Okay, here's the legs. Has this little clamp on the side. Take the leg out. You'll see it screws right here. Set it into the hole. Push down and twist. Very easy to do. Push down and twist. Push down and twist. And the last one, push down and twist. There we go. Now to remove these legs, you just do the opposite. You'll see on this leg, it has a footrest on here. Not footrest, but you know, the bottom of this for stabilizing it just swivels. In this box here, really nice little handy box, we have the accessories. Here are the brackets for holding the side 2x4s. We'll go over this when I flip the table over. We have a couple of clamps and some router table inserts. We'll put those back in there for right now. Close that up and get that out of the way. Nice, kind of heavy duty table here. You can hear it's not really cheap. Got a handle right here for carrying. Pretty good. I'm going to take these legs out and turn it over. Drop these right here for the time being. Okay. You'll have two rails here. Now, Jorgensen clamps fit very well in here. I do not have any right now because the main reason is I bought this table for a certain purpose and probably won't need these rails. Now this plate right here holds the router, and I did not buy this to put a router in it. So here's one of the router inserts, and the other two that come with it, I showed you just a minute ago, are in this case here. I don't know why this thing's kind of tough to open, but here are the other two router inserts right here. Let's just open up this bag. Okay, you got some screws here. You have these little dividers. I'm sure they're for this box somehow. I'm not quite sure. Oh, here we go. They can fit in there like this. So you have 4 dividers. Gonna be handy for what I bought this workbench for. Here are the 3 router table inserts, and these clamps, they just fit in here like this. Then you can twist this down. You drill a hole into a piece of 2x4 or whatever you want to use for a router table. Slip this through the hole, tighten this down on the wood, then you have your router fence. But we're not going to worry about that right now. I'm going to put these back in here. There's the other one. We'll put these router table inserts back in here, like this. Now these brackets are for there we go. You'll see on the front, on each side, you have 2 little slots. You can put these brackets in to hold a 2x4. So, whoop, it's kind of tough to get out of there. I'm going to put these aside right now, and I'm going to put the legs back on this table, flip it over, get a different view with the camera. I'll be right back with you. Okay, I got this table, I got the leg set on it, and I got it sitting up in the correct position. Now, these brackets, they fit on the side, either on the end or on the side right here, whichever you need it on. And then if you put a 2x4 on there, I'll hold a 2x4, and it's not quite even. Oops, let me do this. Not quite even with the height of the table, but you can possibly put a set screw down here to raise it up a little bit, or put some tape down there to raise it up where the piece of wood is even with the table. But you can extend the length of your tabletop either way. So that's kind of a nice feature there. I like that. Anyway, pretty self-explanatory. I'm not going to be mounting these on the table. Pretty nice table. Has screws here. Let me get my screwdriver over here. It has Phillips head screws. So I'm going to remove this router table. This is what you would connect the router to make this a workable router table itself. But in this review, it is not a router table review. It's just an introduction to this table. So I'm not going to actually hook up one of my routers to it. Just showing you box opening and what can be made with this, what you can actually do with it. I could even see this putting a nice towel or something over it. Be a nice little table for putting puzzle together. Maybe a little table for using in your kitchen when you have guests and you need to use extra workspaces for maybe putting covered dishes on, or microwave, or chop saw, drill press. You know, got many different uses. Here's the thickness of the router table plate, and you would just mount your router to the corresponding holes on here. Pretty self-explanatory. Now, maybe it goes this way. There we go. It is pretty close to being right on target with the level of the table here. Now, I did notice that this way did not fit as good as this way. So be wary of that. It fits perfectly only one way. Not a big issue for it. I'm going to use it for. So this was like $69 or $79 at Home Depot. Pretty good price. Stay tuned for another video. I'm going to show you why I bought this and why I think it's going to be a pretty good thing in my arsenal for work tables. But one other thing I've got to show you. Folding chair. Fits right up under here. Plenty of leg room to do what you need to do. My name's Carl. I do appreciate you being here. Appreciate if you leave a comment, hit the thumbs up button below, subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot.